Hi everyone, my name is Keith Brooks and this is Brooks Channel, and for today's video I'm going to be once again trying out a new kind of snack I haven't had before. For today we're going to be trying out some caramel M&Ms. Now, for those who don't know, because I don't recall ever saying so in other videos, M&Ms are one of my favorite kind of candies. It's been that way for about as long as I can remember. And my personal favorites are the regular and peanut flavors. I've also tried crispy, pretzel, dark chocolate, and brownie flavors. Those are ones I can remember. And I've liked all of them. I don't recall ever having the caramel ones before, but since I like both M&Ms and caramel stuff, I figured it'd be a good idea to try it. So, without further ado, here we go. Let me get this open. Nice and easy. There we go. Okay, now let's take some out. These are a little bit bigger, kind of like the peanut ones. Alright, gonna try one for starters. It's a little chewy. Yep. Alright, one alone tastes good. Gonna try a handful this time. Oh, 4 of them. Sorry, it's a little chewy. But yeah, it tastes good. I kind of figured it would. Oh, hang on. Sorry about that. Yep, I like them. But like I said, my favorites are still going to be the regular and peanut ones, but this caramel one would be a good way to mix it up. Same with the other ones I listed. Anyway, not much else to say, so I'm going to end the video here. Let me know what you thought about them in the comments. And maybe tell me what favorite flavor of M&M you like best. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.